Welcome back to the second video, and I'm going to be talking about the word processor, the Easy Word Processor, and this really is easy. To bring up a fresh screen, highlight the icon, click New, and here is our word processing screen. Note the word processing menu bars here. Under File, we have the usual options: Open, Save As, Export, and Page Setup for printing. Editing, again, the usual basic editing functions: undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, find and replace, and hyperlinking. Viewing, here's your page layout. A draft, see, it changes here. Go back to page layout. Oops, there we are. And toolbar functions, button bar, status bar, and so forth. Under Insert, we can insert an image, text frame, hyperlink, and so forth. Formatting, we have the usual formatting options. And again, this is really a minimal stripped-down processor, but it gives you the basics, and it's very easy and intuitive to use. Note that we have the character options, paragraphing, tabs, bullets and numbering, see? Headers and footers, styles, images, text framing, text color, text background color, and document background color. All of this is useful not only if you're trying to just create a word process document, but also later on, as I'll show, for creating simple web pages. We can also insert a table. And then we have options. We have HTML exporting options. And we have an option to export as PDF. If you choose to save or export a document as PDF, you can set a password. How do you do that? Well, you create your your document. I'll just make a test document here. And you choose Export. And you choose you have two options. You have the cascading style sheet export option and the PDF option. And then you, of course, name it and save it. All right. Now let's go ahead and save this because I want to show you how it's going to save. The program is not a file saver. We save and close. And note that here we've saved a draft, and it appears as this sort of gibberish. If you hold your cursor over it, you'll even get a lot more of the sort of formatting. Now, this is actually not a file saver. That will come along in later editions of this. What you're really doing when you save it like this is saving a draft. And if you double-click, you'll get your document back again. In order to save it, you have to save it onto your hard drive. You can then use your file saver program if you want to bring it back in and save it within this format, within the software itself. Okay, so that I think pretty much covers most of what I want to tell you. One other thing that I almost forgot concerns how you can save it. Let's go to Save As. You have some saving options. You can save it as rich text format, as HTML, so thus you can use this to actually draft out a simple web page, and then you can save it as HTML, and there you go. A little bit of editing, and you're up and running. You can save it as a Word document, or a Microsoft Word 97/2003 document, or text, or UTF, plain Unicode text. So you have some options for this. You do not see PDF here because you can export to PDF, but you cannot, once you've exported, open the PDF document with this program. So I just have to tell you that you can create text and Word documents, save them to PDF, and that is to say you export them to PDF. And then if you want to edit the PDF, you have to come back and do the editing within your Word document or the text document that you've worked with, you've created. Okay, I hope that's clear. I'm going to end the word processing video at this point, and then we'll go on to the Easy Photo Editor.